In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download WhatsApp app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the official WhatsApp app in the Microsoft Store and get it onto your Windows computer without any confusion. I'll keep this simple, clear, and beginner-friendly, and I'll add helpful tips along the way so you know what to expect as you go. First, open the Microsoft Store on your PC. You can usually find the store icon on your taskbar, but if it's not there, open your Start menu and begin typing Microsoft Store to bring it up quickly. Make sure you're connected to the internet, since the store needs an active connection to fetch the app. When the Microsoft Store opens, give it a second to load the home page so the search tools are ready. Next, look for the search bar near the top of the Microsoft Store window. Click into it and type WhatsApp. Keep your spelling simple. Just the word WhatsApp is enough. Press Enter and you'll see a list of results. Because there can be similar-looking apps or third-party tools, take a moment to identify the official listing. You want the one published by the verified WhatsApp developer. The official page will have the recognizable WhatsApp icon and a clear description that matches the real app. If you see anything that looks unofficial or has a strange name, skip it and select the authentic listing. Now, on the WhatsApp app page, you'll find the Install button. Click Install to start the download. The Microsoft Store will handle everything for you. You'll see a progress indicator showing that the app is being downloaded and then installed. This can take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. It's a good idea to keep the store window open while this finishes, so you can see when it's done. If you notice the button says Get instead of Install, that's fine. Clicking it does the same thing and will begin the process. If you're prompted to confirm the installation, simply approve it and let the store continue. Once the progress bar completes and the Install button changes to Open, you're all set. The app has been downloaded to your PC. At this point, the download step is complete. If you don't see the Open button right away, give it a few extra seconds for the store to finalize everything. That's the entire process. Open the Microsoft Store, search for WhatsApp, choose the official app, and click Install. Keep your internet connection steady, verify you're picking the real app, and let the store do the rest. Thanks for watching, and great job getting it downloaded.